Earth Day observed globally on 22nd April. Earth Day or International Mother Earth Day is observed globally on 22nd April every year. Earth Day 2020 will be celebrated all over the world to spread awareness for Earth's well-being and to encourage people to support environmental protection. World Earth Day 2020 will mark the 50th anniversary of the day since it started being observed in 1970. Earth Day was renamed officially by the UN in 2009 as International Mother Earth Day. The theme of Earth Day 2020 Climate Action. NBRI creates alcohol based herbal sanitizer. In the wake of growing demand for sanitizers during COVID-19 outbreak, the National Botanical Research Institute has created an alcohol-based herbal sanitizer. An alcohol-based herbal sanitizer has been developed under the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR Aroma Mission following the guidelines of World Health Organization. Now the important points to remember. Director of National Botanical Research Institute Dr. S.K. Barik, Pune Municipal Corporation developed Sanyam mobile app. So the Pune Municipal Corporation also developed Sanyam mobile app. The Pune Municipal Corporation has developed a mobile application named Sanyam. This application has been developed to effectively track the home quarantine citizens and to ensure that they stay in the home. MORTH launches dashboard with list of dhabas and truck repair shops. A dashboard containing list of dhabas and truck repair shop has been launched by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway. We can call it as MORTH on its website. The dashboard consists of list as well as detail of dhabas and the truck repair shops available across the country during the nationwide lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic. ये लिस्ट कंटेन मतलब जो लिस्ट है ये कंटेन करेगी ढाबाज और ट्रक रिपेयर शॉप को जो पूरे के पूरे ये कंट्री में होंगे जब तक कि कोरोना वायरस चल रहा है के दौरान. Important points to remember. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Jairam Gadkari, new Chief Justice for the Bombay, Orissa and Meghalaya High Court have been recommended by the Supreme Court Collegium led by the Chief Justice of India Sharad Arvind Bobde. Now Deepankar Datta, Bombay High Court, Vishwanath Somadhar, Meghalaya High Court, Mohammad Rafiq, Orissa High Court. Justice Deepankar Datta is presently a judge at the Calcutta High Court. He will replace the current Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, Bhushan Dharmadhikari. Justice Vishwanath Somdhar is presently a judge at the Allahabad High Court. He will replace Mohammad Rafiq. Justice Mohammad Rafiq is presently a judge at the Meghalaya High Court. He will replace Sanju Panda as Chief Justice of Orissa High Court. Now the important points to remember. Justice Sharad Arvind Bobde took oath as the 47th Chief Justice of India. Supreme Court established in 28 January 1950. Now the Daporizo Bridge constructed by BRO in Arunachal Pradesh. A 430 feet long ballet Daporizo Bridge over the Subhansiri River has been constructed by Border Road Organization in Arunachal Pradesh, Upper Subhansiri district. It will provide adequate movement of supplies for 451 villages and approximately 3,000 security force personnel deployed along the India-China border. Now the important points to remember. Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh Pema Khandu, Governor B.D. Mishra, E-Sanjeevani OPD facility rolled out in Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh government has rolled out E-Sanjeevani OPD for free online medical consultation to sick people who were feeling uncomfortable to visit hospitals in view of COVID-19 pandemic. The eSanjeevani OPD service will provide free online medical consultation to sick people at their residence throughout the state. To reap the benefits of eSanjeevani OPD, a person should have a computer, laptop, tablet along with webcam, mic, speaker as well as internet connection. To provide the free online medical consultation, a team of 16 doctors of various medical colleges of a state will be available on all working days. Important points to remember: Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh Jairam Thakur, Governor जो चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं हिमाचल प्रदेश के वह हैं जयराम ठाकुर और गवर्नर हैं बंधारू दत्तात्रेय. कपिल देव त्रिपाठी अपॉइंटेड एज न्यू सेक्रेटरी टू प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. जो कपिल देव त्रिपाठी हैं उनको न्यू सेक्रेटरी टू प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया में अपॉइंट किया गया है. Kapil Dev Tripathi has been appointed as the new secretary to the President of India Ramnath Kovind. The appointment of Kapil Dev Tripathi was approved by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Kapil Dev Tripathi is a 1980 batch retired IAS officer of the Assam Meghalaya cadre. Voice banking service launched by ICICI Bank for its customers. ICICI Bank has rolled out a new feature of voice banking services on Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for its customers. It will enable customers to bank with their voice and get answers to banking queries, to check the account balance and transactions, credit card due date and more. The company's new voice banking service uses an omni-channel board called iPal to allow users to interact with virtual assistants on Alexa or Google Assistant powered devices. Now the important points to remember: Managing Director and CEO of ICICI Bank Sandeep Bakshi, ICICI Bank Headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra. Fifth Annual Meeting of Board of Governors of New Development Bank. Union Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman represented India in the fifth annual meeting of Board of Governors of New Development Bank, which was held through video conference. During the meeting, she lauded the effort made by the New Development Bank in establishing itself as a credible global financial institution, living up to its mandate successfully by taking more sustainable and inclusive measures. The New Development Bank was formed in 2014 by the BRICS countries, that is Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Now the important points to remember: President of New Development Bank KV Kamath. Charles Leclerc wins Chinese Virtual Grand Prix. Ferrari Charles Leclerc has won the Formula One eSport Chinese Virtual Grand Prix Championship. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Formula One has announced a new F1 eSport Virtual Grand Prix series. The virtual races will run instead of each delayed Grand Prix. Former Fiji Prime Minister Lysenia Koras has passed away. He was the sixth Prime Minister of Fiji and served from 2000 to 2006. He was a civil servant before becoming a politician and the Prime Minister of Fiji in 2000. He became the Prime Minister of Fiji after the removal of Mahinda Chaudhry's government. Important point to remember: Prime Minister of Fiji Frank Bainimarama, capital of Fiji Suva, currency Fijian dollar. BMW Group BMW India and CEO and President Rudratesh Singh passes away. BMW Group President and CEO Rudratesh Singh has passed away. He was the first Indian to lead the BMW India operations and was appointed as the head of India operations from August 1st, 2019. He had earlier served as the global president at Royal Enfield and has also worked with the Unilever in both India and international market for more than 16 years. Now the fish gills used for rechargeable metal air battery. जो fish gills होते हैं उनको यूज कर सकते हैं for rechargeable metal air battery. With the use of fish gills, a low-cost electrocatalyst has been developed by the scientists at the Institute of Nanoscience and Technology (INST). These low-cost electrocatalysts will be used for the development of environmentally friendly energy conversion devices and storage technologies like fuel cell, biofuel cell, and metal air battery. This low-cost, bio-inspired electrocatalyst is better than the commercial platinum or carbon (PtC) catalyst, and hence it can be used as a next-generation non-precious carbon-based electrocatalyst for energy conversion and storage application in the future. Now, high-speed magnetic RAM developed by IIT Mandi. A high-speed magnetic random access memory, जिसको बोलते हैं RAM, has been developed by the Indian Institute of Technology IIT Mandi, जो कि हिमाचल प्रदेश में है. Magnetic random access memory is faster, energy efficient, and it stores more data in a smaller volume as compared to existing data storage technologies. Now the important facts about magnetic random access memory. The spin transfer torque STT-based nano spintronic device is expected to put an end to computer data loss due to interruptions of power supply. This technology will have the capability to transform next generation computers, smartphones, and other gadgets. In magnetic RAM, data are represented as a spin of electrons. In magnetic RAMs uses spintronic technology and utilizes the spin of the electrons to transmit and process information. Unlike normal electronic devices that are driven by the electron charges, it harnesses the spin of electrons and manipulates the magnetic state leads to what is known as spin transfer torque. Magnetic random access memory, जिसको बोलते हैं STT-MRAM. Civil Service Day celebrated by India on 21st April. Civil Service Day is celebrated by the Government of India on 21st April every year to commemorate the address of the first Home Minister of Independent India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, to the probationers of Administrative Service Officer in 1947 at Metcalfe House, Delhi. On this day, civil servants rededicated themselves to the cause of citizen and renew their commitments to public service and excellency in work. The day was celebrated for the first time on 21st April 2006. Thank you. Please stay safe at your home during the coronavirus and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icons and also press the I button to watch the previous videos. Thank you.